Hello, Stella. Good evening.
Good evening, Grace. How are you?
I'm fine. How was your day? How's been your day?
It has been tiring, but it's okay. Thank you so much.
All right. All right. So you're welcome to today's coaching class. And I'm here to discuss your issue, the issue you called me for. So I want you to know that this session will be recorded. It will be recorded in case we just need to replay and for us to kind of remember what we discussed. And also, I want to let you know that this session will be a great one, and I believe I'll be able to solve the issue at hand. So, can I know what the problem really is?
Thank you, Grace, for making this time. Now, my issue is to do with staff motivation and my current place of work. Because of this pandemic, we have been forced to make certain structural change, and also we had to make certain tough decisions to cut around 25 positions in order to be able to continue business operations, which has really affected the motivation of our staff. There's a lot of anxiety, people wondering, are they going to be next to lose their jobs? And so I wanted to find out from you what me as an HR, what I can do to help to improve the situation with our staff.
Okay, if I really understand you well, you say due to the pandemic, there've been a kind of reshuffle in terms of staffing in your organization, and a kind of some people are losing their jobs as a result of the pandemic. So if I truly understand you, what really was the structural change that went on that made, what really was, can you emphasize more on the structural change in your organization?
Okay, so we, as an international organization, we have different offices in different countries. Okay. And so the region that that we are in, Rwanda, is called the Great Lakes region. Okay, and Great Lakes comprises of Uganda, Kampala, and Burundi. So each country has its own office, but now we have been forced to merge those offices, okay, so that they operate as one regional office. And that means that certain positions are redundant, they're no longer needed. And that has led to a lot of positions being cut. And the reason that the leadership gave is we need to find ways of better utilizing the resources that we have with the finances that we have. So those are the structural changes that I'm talking about.
Okay, as regards the, if I really understand you, as regards the staff that was with as regards the staffing stuff, what were the measures? What were the measures taken?
The measures regarding what? I didn't get you clearly.
I said before the structural change, what were the measures that was taken, as in what were the measures that was carried out before the structural change? I don't know if you really understand me. Were there measures that were carried out before the structural change? Measures to like inform the staff or to let the staff know what is really going on, the ongoing process?
Yeah. Yes. Before the final decision was made to cut these positions and to even merge the different offices, there have been ongoing discussions. The employees have been involved. We have had very many staff meetings where we have informed the staff of the difficulties that the organization is facing, and also just the different measures that were going to be taken. For example, certain activities were going to be stopped. And I mean activities that are not a priority in the different countries, they were going to be stopped. certain funding for different projects are going to be stopped. And lastly, there are certain positions that will have to be cut just so that we are able to continue with our operations, because the wage bill is also quite big in a humanitarian organization. Yeah.
All right. In your course of your discussion, in your course of introduction, you talked about that presently the staffs are demotivated.
Yes.
Demotivated, yeah, demotivated.